Our key was in Stockton today to actually meet with people who may still be having problems accessing their TV services. And we've been running a whole series of visits to market towns across the region to reach out directly to people who may not have seen our advertising or seen our direct mail shots. We've done three main things. The first one is the construction of an 80-metre high mast that serves over 90% of the population, which is at the site of the Billsdale mast. Then, in the last 8 days, we further powered up the site that we've built at Eston Nab, serving Middlesbrough and the broader Middlesbrough area. And then we've also put in some smaller re-sites in those areas of not spots, in places like Kirkby Moorside and Bainbridge near Leyburn. And that now means that we have reached more than 97% of the population.
I'm here to support the Billsdale Mast Project Restore to help anyone who is elderly, vulnerable particularly, to get their TV service restored. I think the best thing to do is ring the phone number, the free phone number, which is 0800 121 4828, and then you will get in touch with somebody who can tell you exactly what to do and you will get help.
Yeah, well, I found out loads of information today that I can now pass on to friends and family, i.e. that somebody will come out to them and retune the TV and repoint the aerial if needed.
I would encourage anybody who's been affected to go onto the website or to call our free phone number 0800 121 4828, where they'll speak to someone who will be able to give them the best possible advice about retuning their TV, sending an engineer so their aerial can be repointed, or helping them find other ways of accessing digital TV services.